The cost of building a home in the United States varies greatly based on several factors. There's no single figure that applies to everyone. But I can provide a comprehensive breakdown to help you understand the range of costs and the factors that influence them. General cost range, 2024. In general, the cost of building a typical home in the United States ranges between $100 and $400 per square foot, approximately $1,075 and $4,300 per square meter. Standard home. $100 $200 per square foot semi-custom home, $200 $300 per square foot luxury, fully custom home, $300 minus $500 plus per square foot based on this. Here's a total cost estimate for a 2,500 square foot, approximately 232 square meters, home, low cost, 2,500 square feet x $150 equals $375,000 average. 2,500 square feet x $250 equals $625,000 high cost. Luxury 2,500 square feet x $400 equals $1 million plus cost breakdown. Where your money goes, design and permits, 5 to 15% of the total cost. Architect, $2,000 to $20,000 plus building permits, $500 to $5,000, varies by city and state. Planning and engineering fees, $1,500 to $10,000 site and foundation work, $30,000 to $100,000 and up, ground leveling. $2,000 to $10,000 excavation, $3,000 to $15,000 foundations, $10,000 to $40,000, varies between a full basement and a regular foundation structure. $40,000 to $100,000 and up. This is the highest cost after the foundation. It includes the wood, or steel, the main roof structure, and the walls. Exterior and interior work, roofing. $5,000 to $30,000 plumbing, $10,000 to $30,000 electrical, $10,000 to $30,000 air conditioning, $15,000 to $40,000 insulation, $3,000 to $15,000 drywall, $10,000 to $30,000 painting, $5,000 to $15,000 finishes. This is where the biggest difference in cost is. Flooring, $10,000 to $50,000 and up, natural wood, ceramic, etc. Kitchen, $15,000 to $80,000 and up. This is the most expensive room. Bathrooms, $5,000 to $25,000 per bathroom doors and windows. $15,000 to $50,000 and more exterior finishes. Siding, $10,000 to $40,000 brick. Stone, wood, vinyl, pathways and walkways. $5,000 to $20,000 landscaping. $3,000 to $20,000 major factors affecting cost: location, city and state. This is the most important factor. Most expensive areas. California, especially coastal, New York, Hawaii, Boston, Seattle, Middle East areas, most suburban areas of major states. Least expensive areas, southern and central states such as Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Alabama. Home size and design, square footprint. The larger the square footage, the higher the cost. Architectural design. Complex designs, unconventional angled roofs, are more expensive than simple square or rectangular designs. Number of floors. A two-story home is often more cost-effective in terms of foundation and roof costs than a one-story home of the same square footage, ranch style. Quality of materials and finishes. The difference between basic, contractor, materials, and high-end, or luxury, materials is significant. Example, hardwood floors versus solid oak. Labor costs, contractors, electricians, plumbers, and other contractors' prices vary greatly from region to region. Land cost. This is a separate cost to consider. Land costs vary greatly based on location, views, and available amenities. Economic conditions, material costs, such as lumber, and labor fluctuate based on inflation, demand,